Welcome to our channel! My name is Naomi and her name is Isabel! Today we're gonna do a biscuit challenge and it's so fun! So fun!
Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel! In today's vlog, we have an intense challenge for Naomi and Isabel! Yes! And today's challenge, we have 3 types of biscuits. We have small, medium, and large biscuits. The challenge is they need to put the biscuits on their face to move closer to their mouth so they could eat it. Do you think they can? We'll see!
Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you. So I have this little cookie and I'm gonna put it on my face. So I'm gonna put it on my face and I'm gonna try to eat it. Ah! It keeps on falling down!
So it has to be goes on your mouth?
Yeah.
Okay. You think you can do it, Isabel?
I think so, maybe I'll do. I think so, maybe I'll do. Maybe I'll do.
So let's go now, let's start.
If I have the big one, I'm going to like.
Okay, so right now, go start. 1, 2, 3, go! Hi guys! So there are 3 types of biscuits, small, medium, and large. So what they're going to do is they have to eat it. They have to use their face. In order for them to eat this, goes through their mouth. So we think we can do it?
Yeah!
Okay, those trees should have been finished. If it falls off on the ground, then they lose. But if they eat it using their face and their mouth,
But I don't like to do it.
I know you can do it now. You can, you can, you can, you can, you can. Now, let's go. Let's go and start now. Go on, biscuits. Natin. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Isabel's turn. Oh no, without holding it. Oh, 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 oh. Look, Naomi's turn. Round 2. 1, 2, 3, start.
Let's go. Oh my god, this is so scary.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh,
No, I want to get 1 point.
oh, oh, oh. Lose. Now it's Isabel's turn. Go, 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 go. Get one.
Medium one.
Get a medium one.
Easier, I think.
Oh, so easier. Oh, 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 oh.
That's gonna be my turn. Can we eat it?
Yes, you
Okay,
can
now we'll
do
do the countdown.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Oops.
I think this will be easy
oops,
though.
oops, oops, oops. Ah. Oops.
I think this will be easy
Oops.
though.
Oops. 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 Ah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oops. Oops. Oh. 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 Oh no. Oh no. Oh. She can do it. She can do it. Let's go. Oh. Ah. Ah.
It's so going.
Oh, oh.
It's gonna fall.
Almost, almost.
No, I don't.
That was almost. nose. So right now, they have 2 on the medium size. Also 2 on the medium size because Isabel get it.
Can we also do again?
Later, we have to finish first. Now we go on the big part. Oh, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Right now, you go together.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start na. Okay? So you have to at least have 1 point each, This is big. This is big biscuit. So that is the last challenge.
Can we start here or it has to be here?
It has to be here on the noo.
I go hard.
Oh.
I go hard.
You can do it. You think you can do it?
Yeah.
Okay na? Let's go! Ooh. So guys, are you ready? Naomi and Isabel?
Yes.
So this is big part biscuits. So let's go, Oh, you have to get the whole one, Isabel.
Yeah, I can't bite it.
Oh. Okay na?
Yeah.
I think nobody wins today.
No.
Oh, okay. Let's start. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. Ang daya ni Isabel. Go. You try. Try. Look at that. Try. Try again, try. Nobody wins today. We'll try again?
Yes.
Oh, we'll try again? Oh, let's go. So right now, we're gonna start again. We'll see if they'll be having a point today or we're just ending up. No one's gonna win. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Yes. Okay, so let's go. Okay, one last final round. Let's go. So they're gonna take the medium size.
Medium size?
Yeah, the medium size is better.
Big.
No, it's better if it's medium size.
Yeah, but it's supposed to start a bit small.
Okay, you want to start it? Okay.
Yes.
So they'll be going to start with a small size. Macy?
Tiny.
Tiny.
I love this.
Oh.
This is good. And we also love this. Okay, this is quite hard. But I think this the easiest because we saw Mama do it and she ate it.
Oh, so we can do it now?
Yes.
You think you can do it?
Yes.
Okay, Mama showed you how to do it, right? So you think you can do it too? Okay, let's go!
Oh no.
Ding, 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 ding! Oh, look at Ate, oh. Oh. How about you, Isabel? You can do it? No. How about Ate? We'll see if she can do it the medium size.
Okay.
This medium size.
This is my last hope.
Oh, let's go! Wait. Go! Go! Cheer, Ate, go! Ate, go! Go! Oh, no one's gonna win today. Sorry. No one's gonna win today.
How about the big one?
How about the big one? You wanna try the big one?
Yeah, this is the last.
Oh, the last one, While Isabel is only wants to eat everything, all the biscuits. She doesn't want to play.
I only want to do like this.
Eat. Oh, you just cheer up to Ate. Cheer. Go, Ate. Go. So, Naomi said that would be her last hope. The big one. How big it is? Oh. We're gonna see? You think you can do it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Go. No. Oh. Yeah, sure. Oh, look at Ate. Oh, no. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh! Yay! Macy? Nalaglag eh.
But I got to eat it like this.
Nalaglag eh. Hindi din. That has to be all. Oh, sorry.
One more chance.
Better luck next time.
I try again. Okay.
Oh, one. Last chance. Pangilang try na namin. I think this is the third time we need to try this. I hope they got to win this. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oops, 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 oops. You gotta side your face, side your face, side your face. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, 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 oh. Come on. Side your face. Side your face. Side your face. Side your face. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Wow! So Naomi, on the third attempt, she got it. She made it. Yay! While Isabel only eating. Is it yummy? Super yummy. Wow!
So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. I was excited to drink, and I also let Isabel because she's so sad. And yeah, so there, I give her some.
Bye-bye! Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like our video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe.